Gender role attitudes are an important aspect of gender socialization and gender identity development and have a complex relationship with health and well-being. Traditionally, within many Latino cultures, the gender norm of machismo emphasizes that Latino males take a larger role in activities outside of the family, such as work or sports. In contrast, Latinas are expected to fulfill the gender norm of Marianismo, which emphasizes the centrality of family, such as being home-centered and partaking in caretaking duties. Marianismo is made up of 5 main pillars. The family pillar emphasizes a woman's role in maintaining dedication to family and family cohesion. The virtuous pillar describes how a Latina is expected to respect her body and maintain her virginity until marriage. The subordinate to others pillar reflects the belief that Latinas should show obedience and respect for the Latino family structure. The self-silencing to maintain harmony pillar describes the belief that Latinas should keep confrontation and discomfort to a minimum within interpersonal relationships. And the spiritual pillar describes the belief that Latinas should be the spiritual leader of the family. Certain pillars of Marianismo are theorized to reflect positive and negative aspects of gender role expectations. From a young age, Latina girls are taught to look up to the Virgin Mary and encouraged to exhibit a certain type of behavior that is similar to hers. These behaviors that young Latinas are taught to demonstrate are passed down from generation to generation and causes Latinas to grow up being afraid of being outspoken and standing up for themselves.